guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. So today we're going to be doing two pigtails. Right now I'm just pretty much moisturizing my hair. I wanted to kind of stay away from a style that would have been too tight or that would have been pulling too much on my hair. So right now I'm just going through and I'm adding conditioner and detanglers. This is just going to sit on my hair for the time being while this style is in. But I start off by going down and just parting my hair down the middle. You can do this as, a side part, however you choose to, but this is just traditional old pigtails. So I'm just going through detangling my hair out fully, so that way it's easier for me to just pull it up into the ponytails. And we will be using Gorilla Snot. Yes, I know what everybody thinks about it, but contrary to popular belief, it really does work. And I like how light it is on my hair. If you want like a super strong and sturdy hold, the yellow one may not be the one for you, but this one in particular I like for when I want something I can just shampoo right out really quickly. It's going to hold my hair enough, and it allowed me to manipulate it and maneuver it around the best way for me in particular. But I really love the Gorilla Snot gel. Like I said, it allows you to have hold, but not too much hold to where it's pulling your hair. Now I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to add in my rubber band. And basically, this is pretty much simple. If you ever put your hair into a ponytail, you know how to do this step. So today we are going to be using the Expressions Pre-Stretch in the color 1. I like to use this because it's pretty easy. Like, it's already stretched at the ends. So when I go to braid it all the way down, it looks just really natural. I separate each little bundle that's inside to 4 pieces. And that's how I feed the hair into my hair. It matches with my texture the best, and it looks the best when I do it this way. But first, of course, I just go through and I'm just going to comb through that product, and then I'm just going to start a traditional braid. However you braid, this is, based off of whatever works best for you. I am not the best braider, but I do know how to get a braid into my hair, to say the least. But I pretty much just feed in each piece. This is how I get it to look as natural as possible, versus, like doing the method where you add the rubber band to the pack of the hair and then you tie it onto your natural hair and then you have to do the wraparound. This kind of just avoids all of that. You still can do the wraparound with this method if you want to, but I just prefer not to, because I wanted it to literally look like I put my hair into 2 rubber bands and braided it down. And that's exactly the look that you're going to get with this. It's extremely natural looking, and people will think that it is your natural hair. Now that my other side is complete, I'm just going to go in and swoop my edges. You can literally do this look however you want to. This is how I like to do my swoops, but I want to go for something that's a little bit more natural. You can do less of this or you can do more, and we definitely are swooping those sideburns on the side, of course. But yes, this was my outcome. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you learned something from this video. If you do create this style, please comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.